So my hair looks like crap, as you can see, and I just woke up. I got this little guy that wants to hang out with me today. This is my nephew, and my first nephew, and we're eating popcorn. Let's see what I don't like. Yeah, a lot of times this little guy likes to hang out with me because he knows that. Yeah, he does this too. He likes to feed me. Yeah, we're in my room, and we're. God, dude, eat your popcorn. Yeah.
Did you knock that over? Is that you?
Kind of, where you go? Yeah, he likes to hang out. This is the first time in maybe like a month or two he's actually came out to hang out with me. Like I said, there's only certain people I allow in my room that won't go through my shit. Won't like. Only random stuff that I will let touch. And let's just say I'm not really hiding a lot, except for some things, but don't get your hands off the light bulb. That will burn you. The reason why you can see me better is because I took the cover off of that.
Maybe that's what we'll do. We can probably go outside.
Yeah, I took it off so that we.
I'm just gonna put on my shoes.
My other videos,
Go ahead outside.
I've been using. I look at this. I've been using this.
Again, there's supposed to be 3 of them. I couldn't find any of them. None of them. Nothing.
I've been using that for my other videos. I don't know why I keep doing that like an idiot.
I didn't see what knocked it over, but I think it was my
Here again.
So I'm not super
Go for the popcorn.
worried about that. So I think the best thing to do would be try to.
Let's just say that I've been in my room for 25 years, getting pretty close to 26 years.
Doing the 11-mile challenge.
I know,
So
literally, even with my eyes closed, or in the very dark, I can literally like memorize everything in this house.
Japanese spirits.
Even outside my house. That's how good I am. But yeah, I'm just hanging out with the nephew. Yes, he's in his diaper. I don't know why. Are you hot?
Without further ado, let's look for these spirits. Also, guys,
oh, his body's okay.
Before, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, and then check
Dude,
me
that
out
one's
on
wet.
Libraries, turn on post notifications, like
Never mind.
and subscribe.
Do my head.
That way you can enter yourself to win the
But yeah,
$100
so
Amazon gift card. It's $300. Just a quick update for you guys. I've been driving for about 20 minutes, and I still
Taylor, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. You got the sun next to you. I can't do the dumb thing. I'm feeling my dirty ass room. It's fucking messy as hell. My bad. So, I'm gonna end this video now. So, peace out. Be safe. Stay in the warm. Don't get in the cold. Yeah.